Mix olive oil with cloves and see what happens to your body in 3 weeks. Have you ever imagined that two such simple ingredients, which are probably right there in your kitchen, could be powerful allies for your health, especially after reaching 50 years of age? Well, that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. The mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves. These two elements, when combined correctly, can offer surprising benefits for the joints, digestive health, and even the heart. If you have been looking for natural options that are easy to prepare and backed by current scientific research, you will love to learn more about this subject. And it is not just a home remedy. Recent studies highlight that extra virgin olive oil and cloves have active compounds that complement each other, further increasing the efficacy of each one. And that is precisely why so many people around the world have been adopting this method to take care of their daily health, seeking more vitality and quality of life. So, if you are curious to understand how this mixture can help treat or prevent various problems, stay with me until the end. And before we begin, I would like to know, from which city are you watching and what is your age? Please leave that information in the comments. And take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, so you do not miss essential tips for your health. Now let us discover the 9 incredible benefits of this combination. Benefit 1. Combats heart and blood vessel problems. Have you ever stopped to think about how your heart works tirelessly every day? It is like an engine that cannot fail because your life depends on it. And what if I told you that something as simple as extra virgin olive oil combined with cloves can help take better care of that engine? This duo has been attracting researchers' attention around the world for its effects on cardiovascular health. Extra virgin olive oil is known for its monounsaturated fats. These fats help reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol. By maintaining this healthy balance, you end up protecting your arteries from blockages that could lead to heart attacks or strokes. In addition, a compound present in the olive oil called oleocanthal acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to minimize irritations in the blood vessels and improve circulation. Cloves, on the other hand, contain eugenol, a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, a major enemy of heart health. Oxidative stress can harden the arteries and predispose your body to heart problems. When you add cloves to the olive oil, the sum of the benefits is multiplied. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food indicates that together, these compounds significantly reduce inflammation and improve the elasticity of the blood vessels. Benefit 2. Improves blood sugar levels. Have you ever felt that sudden fatigue after eating or difficulty keeping your blood sugar under control? Many people in middle age deal with challenges in balancing glycemia, and that can be dangerous in the long run. But the good news is that the mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves can also help in this regard. Cloves are a treasure trove of compounds that assist in regulating blood sugar. Eugenol, for example, has shown potential to improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This means fewer sugar spikes after meals and more stable energy throughout the day. There is even a study in the Journal of Diabetes Research that shows how this common spice can be an ally in preventing complications related to diabetes. Extra virgin olive oil reinforces this effect. Its monounsaturated fats help reduce the speed at which carbohydrates are absorbed, preventing sudden glycemic spikes. In addition, by decreasing inflammation in the pancreas, an organ vital for insulin production, the olive oil contributes to the proper functioning of this process. Benefit 3. Improves digestive health. Did you know that the well-being of your intestine impacts almost every other system in your body? From mood to immunity, digestion plays a fundamental role, and problems such as bloating, gas, and constipation can greatly diminish your quality of life, can't they? Fortunately, another positive point of this combination of extra virgin olive oil with cloves is how much it can help the digestive system function better. Cloves are known in traditional medicine for their carminative properties. That is, they are capable of relieving gas and abdominal discomfort. They also stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown of foods and making digestion smoother. On the other hand, extra virgin olive oil works as a kind of natural lubricant in our digestive system. It helps with intestinal motility and the absorption of nutrients, in addition to keeping the intestinal lining healthy. Research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology indicates that moderate consumption of olive oil can improve intestinal function and reduce the incidence of constipation. When we combine this with the properties of cloves, we have extra support to eliminate bloating and ensure a more regular bowel movement. Benefit 4. Relieves joint and muscle pain. There comes a time in life when pain in the bones and muscles seems to be constant companions, right? Arthritis, osteoarthritis, or even that back pain that never goes away. If this is your case, why not give a chance to the natural analgesic power that the combination of extra virgin olive oil and cloves can offer? Eugenol, present in cloves, has anesthetic and anti-inflammatory properties that act directly at the source of the pain, reducing swelling and bringing remarkable relief. It is no wonder that traditionally, clove oil has been used for toothaches, muscle pains, and even to relieve bruises. It can act to relax tense areas, helping the mobility of joints affected by arthritis, for example. Extra virgin olive oil, in turn, contains oleocanthal, which researchers compare to ibuprofen in terms of anti-inflammatory action. This means that by consuming or applying it, you can help reduce those inflammatory processes that cause so much pain and stiffness. An interesting study published in the Journal of Medicinal Plants Research suggests that the combination of eugenol with oleocanthal increases the relieving effects, making the mixture even more effective. Do your bones and muscles not deserve a more natural and gentle alternative to relieve the pains of everyday life? Life can be much more pleasant if that constant discomfort decreases, opening up space for you to do everything you enjoy, from outdoor walks to the simplest activities that bring joy. Benefit 5. Refreshes the skin and treats skin diseases. Do you look in the mirror and feel that your skin no longer reflects all of your vigor? Or are you constantly fighting against acne, dermatitis, or that bothersome dryness? Believe it or not, extra virgin olive oil and cloves can also be great allies in improving the health and appearance of your skin, even after reaching 50 years of age. Cloves contain antibacterial substances capable of combating the bacteria that cause acne and other skin inflammations. In addition, their anti-inflammatory effect helps soothe irritations and redness. It is no coincidence that in many cultures, clove oil is a traditional remedy for skin irritations. Added to that, cloves are rich in antioxidants that protect the skin against free radicals, delaying the appearance of wrinkles and unwanted spots. Extra virgin olive oil plays a fundamental role in hydration. Its fatty acids and vitamin E deeply nourish the layers of the skin, keeping it soft and more resilient. It also creates a natural protective barrier, preventing moisture from escaping. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science showed that the combination of antibacterial compounds with moisturizing ingredients can be very effective in relieving eczema, psoriasis, and other types of dermatitis. Stop and think. How many expensive skin products have we bought and still were not satisfied with the results? Sometimes a simple alternative, one that mixes hydration, nourishment, and antibacterial action, might be the missing piece to achieving healthier and more youthful skin. Benefit 6. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Unfortunately, as the years go by, our immune system can become more vulnerable to infections, and the inflammatory process increases. The good news is that extra virgin olive oil and cloves bring powerful benefits to combat these problems. Cloves are recognized for their antibacterial action, mainly thanks to eugenol. This compound has been tested in the laboratory against resistant bacteria, showing surprising results in inhibiting harmful microorganisms. And not only that, eugenol is also an excellent anti-inflammatory, useful in reducing swelling and painful reactions that so disturb the life of those in middle age. Extra virgin olive oil, for its part, decreases inflammation by directly interfering in the biochemical processes that cause pain and swelling. And the best part, all this comes without the harsh side effects that some medications can have. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrates that when we combine the eugenol from cloves with the oleocanthal from olive oil, the reduction in inflammatory markers can be even more significant. Benefit 7. Helps with oral health. Have you ever felt that, with age, caring for your mouth becomes increasingly important and also more complex? It may be sensitive gums, teeth that become more fragile, or occasional oral infections that can be quite bothersome. But what if extra virgin olive oil with cloves could also help in this area? Cloves have always been famous for relieving toothaches and freshening breath, thanks to their strong antibacterial and analgesic action. The high concentration of eugenol can combat bacteria that cause gingivitis, periodontitis, and other oral diseases. Just remember that many formulas of mouthwashes and toothpastes on the market use clove extracts for this purpose. Extra virgin olive oil wonderfully complements these effects. It can be used as a carrier to gently apply the cloves to the gums, or even used as a mouth rinse that helps keep the oral environment healthier. Additionally, the olive oil also acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and soothing any inflammations in the inner mucous membranes. Research in the field of dentistry, published in specialized journals, suggests that the use of natural oils for mouth rinsing and topical application has been growing precisely because they avoid harsh chemical compounds without sacrificing efficacy. Benefit 8. Enhances strength in men. You men over 50 years of age, have you noticed changes in your energy and vigor? It is normal to perceive a drop in vitality as time passes, but that does not mean there are no natural ways to improve your strength. The mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves can contribute in this regard. Cloves are historically known as a natural stimulant. Their content of minerals, such as manganese, helps in the production of testosterone, a hormone responsible for muscular strength, libido, and a feeling of vigor. In addition, improving blood circulation, something that eugenol also provides, assists both in physical performance and other aspects of men's health. On the other hand, extra virgin olive oil stands out for its monounsaturated fats, which contribute to the proper functioning of the cardiovascular system, ensuring that there is adequate transport of nutrients and oxygen to the muscles. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology indicates that together, these two ingredients can favor endurance and support better performance in physical activities in daily life. Perhaps you do not need expensive supplements or miraculous formulas, just consistency and the adoption of natural habits. How about trying it to see if you truly feel a difference in your energy? Sometimes what we need is precisely to go back to basics and trust in the strength that nature so generously offers us. Benefit 9. Helps maintain healthy hair. How many times have you wished for stronger, shinier hair, or simply a scalp without dandruff and itching? As age advances, it is common for hair to become thinner, more fragile and dry. But that does not have to be an inevitable destiny. The mixture of extra virgin olive oil and cloves can also bring significant improvements for hair health. Cloves, being rich in eugenol and other antioxidants, stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. Better blood flow means that the hair follicles receive more nutrients and oxygen, which can result in stronger hair and faster growth. In addition, the antifungal properties of cloves help combat dandruff, keeping the scalp clean and free of uncomfortable flaking. Extra virgin olive oil acts as a natural conditioner, sealing the hair cuticle and keeping moisture locked in for a longer time. With that, the hair tends to gain more shine and softness. Not to mention that it helps reduce breakage and split ends, so common in finer or drier hair. An article in the International Journal of Trichology highlights the essential role of vegetable oils and compounds such as eugenol in protecting against external damage, reinforcing that this mixture can be a true ally for hair in any phase of life. And now that you know the 9 main benefits, it is time to learn how to properly prepare and use the mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves. After all, it is no use knowing how powerful it is if you do not know how to extract it correctly, right? To correctly prepare the mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves, it is essential to choose quality ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil is the best option, as it preserves its healthy fats and beneficial compounds such as oleocanthal. Before purchasing, always check the label to ensure the product's provenance. The cloves should be whole and of good quality, since the eugenol, which is primarily responsible for their benefits, can be lost in low-quality products or those stored inadequately. The most common way to prepare the infusion is the slow method, which allows the active compounds to be extracted gradually. For this, simply pour 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil into a glass jar and add a handful of whole cloves, approximately 1 tablespoonful. The jar should be tightly sealed and stored in a dark place for at least 7 days. During this period, you can stir the mixture every 2 days to enhance the extraction of the beneficial compounds. For those who desire a faster method, there is the option of infusion by heating. In that case, lightly heat the olive oil in a water bath, together with the cloves for a few minutes, without letting it boil, because very high temperatures can compromise its properties. After this process, the mixture should be strained before being used. To ensure the efficacy and safety of the preparation, it is important to avoid some common mistakes. One of the most harmful is boiling the olive oil, as this destroys important compounds and may leave it with a bitter taste. Another mistake is using improperly ground cloves. It is ideal to grind them at the time of use or use whole cloves, since the industrialized versions may have lost part of the eugenol and consequently their therapeutic potency. In addition, it is essential not to overdo the amount of cloves because their flavor and aroma are intense, and excessive consumption can cause irritation in the mouth and stomach. By following these steps correctly, the mixture will be ready to be used both in food and for external applications as needed. The ideal amount for consuming the mixture of extra virgin olive oil with cloves may vary according to the objective and individual tolerance, but generally it is recommended to ingest 1 teaspoon per day. This dose is sufficient to obtain the benefits without causing gastrointestinal discomfort. It is ideal to consume this mixture in the morning, on an empty stomach, to enhance the absorption of the active compounds. If preferred, it is also possible to mix it with warm tea, water, or even use it as a dressing for salads and other dishes. For external use, the application can be done in different ways, depending on the objective. For relief of muscle and joint pains, it is recommended to apply a small amount of the mixture to the affected areas and massage gently until the oil is absorbed by the skin. This process can be repeated twice a day, preferably before going to bed or after a shower, when the pores are more open and absorption is facilitated. In the case of skin treatments, such as combating acne, dryness, or irritations, apply a thin layer over the desired region and let it act for 20 to 30 minutes before washing with warm water. For more sensitive skin, it is ideal to test a small amount on the forearm before regular use, ensuring that there are no adverse reactions. For hair care, the mixture can be used as a nourishing oil for the scalp and hair. Gently massage the scalp with a few drops of the mixture, leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, and then wash normally with shampoo. This procedure can be done up to twice a week to strengthen the hair and combat dandruff. Finally, for oral use, the mixture can be used as a natural mouthwash for gum and oral health. To do so, apply a small amount in the mouth, rinse for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then spit it out. This use is recommended once a day, helping to combat bacteria and reduce inflammation of the gums. Despite the benefits of the combination of extra virgin olive oil with cloves, some people should avoid or consume this mixture with caution. Individuals who are allergic to any of these ingredients should refrain from consumption or topical application, as they may develop adverse reactions, such as skin irritation or gastrointestinal discomfort. In addition, people with low blood pressure should be careful, since both extra virgin olive oil and cloves have properties that may further lower blood pressure, leading to dizziness and malaise. Those who use anticoagulant medications should also be cautious, as cloves contain compounds that can potentiate the effect of these drugs, increasing the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a health professional before using this mixture, because the eugenol present in cloves may stimulate uterine contractions and affect the baby. Similarly, people with digestive problems, such as gastritis and ulcers, should avoid excessive consumption, since cloves can be irritating to the gastric mucosa. It is ideal to always start with small quantities and observe how the body reacts. If any sign of discomfort appears, it is advisable to discontinue use and seek medical guidance. At this point, you have seen how an apparently simple recipe can bring so many health benefits, especially for those over 50. Extra virgin olive oil with cloves is not just a natural remedy. It is proof that we can find treasures in our very own kitchen if we know how to take advantage of the best each ingredient has to offer. From the heart to the hair, through the skin and muscles, this preparation shows its value in various ways, being supported by scientific studies and traditional practices that have spanned centuries. Now, I would like to know from you, which of these benefits caught your attention the most? And have you ever used this mixture before? Please answer in the comments and share your experience. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do so now so you do not miss any important health and well-being tips. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.